I wasn't sure it was recording yet. So there are 2 really fun events that are happening this week online, and one of the beauties of everything being virtual is it means that you can attend for free. So there's 2 things I want to talk about. One is GitHub, and the other one is Lensfest. So let's start with GitHub. So this is a 3-day event, and they both happen at the same days, both of these events. But it's December 8th through the 10th, which is starting tomorrow. And it's a global developer event. And it starts, looks like 9 a.m. Pacific time, which I think is around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, give or take. And so let's go ahead and go over this. So I'm making this video just so that you can, just to help show how you can navigate the website and how you can sign up for particular events that you may be interested in. So, I mean, this is a 3-day event, but nobody's going to spend all 3 days watching the event. It's hard to stay engaged that long on a virtual conference, which is the downside of everything being virtual. But okay, so the way that you can do this, you can go ahead, this is, starts right here. You can add to the calendar, and you select the calendar, and it'll go on your calendar. And I believe this is the keynote. Yep, it's the keynote, and it starts at 12, not 11. And I'm not going to do that because I've already done that. I don't want it on there twice. So that's how you can add it to your calendar, if that's on a Google Calendar or whatever calendar you use. And the other thing that you can do that can really kind of help you fine tune and what you want to watch and what you want to devote time to is what path you think that would best interest you. So there's a developer, there's enterprise, there's play, and then there's university. So if you have an interest, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm doing. I'm going to schedule. Oh, let's go ahead and go over this. There's schedule, there's speakers, there's the experience. I'm not going to go into all of this and that in depth. You guys can go through and find what you want. Oh, there's something for swag. Oh, look at that. What's swag? Swag. That's the other thing that sucks about not doing in person is you don't get the free swag. Anyways, let's go ahead and go to the schedule. And okay, so you can, on the left-hand side, you can filter if you want to be the developer, enterprise, play, topic, the topic you have an interest in, session level, and session type. So you can go through here, say if you want to just look at everything developer. We got the keynote. We can go ahead and add it to our favorites, and we can add it to our calendar. And it would go through the same process as I went through earlier, just so that it's on your calendar and you don't forget. Looks like these are some that I already put on my favorites. Let's go ahead and go back. So developers checked, and let's see. I'm going to go ahead and add these to my calendar. That's pretty much it. You can go through the process, find what's interesting to you, and just go ahead and add it to the calendar so your schedule is built up so that you have the time devoted to watch it and you don't forget about it. And let's see. And that's pretty much it. You just kind of do that for what works best for you. And there's workshops, as you can see. If you want to attend a workshop, looks like those are $100, so not everything's free, but you can find what you have an interest in and what you are able to do and attend. So now let's go to Lensfest with it, which is Snapchat. So again, it starts tomorrow, and the registration, I saw somewhere the registration actually ends today, closes today, or maybe tomorrow. Maybe it closes tomorrow. We'll see it. Okay, so Lensfest is Snap AR's ecosystem, building the AR economy, social impact. Okay, so it's basically a lot of augmented reality AR, which is something that I have huge interest in, and I've been playing around, especially on the Snapchat platform. So day one, it goes through the process, or you go through the itinerary of things that are available. And let's see what happens when we click on it. I haven't tried this yet. So it gives you a little bit of information and description. don't see anything similar to add it to your calendar like the GitHub did. I've already registered, so I'm not going to go through that process now. Download Lens Studio, which is something that you will need to create augmented realities with, for Snapchat. It is only PC and it is only Mac. It is not, something compatible with Chromebooks. So that is just something to keep in mind. Chromebooks are great until they're not. So that's pretty much it. But these events, go through, see what, piques your interest and what you are curious about. That's the best way to kind of get motivated to learn about something, is when you find something you're curious about. I personally am more curious about Snapchat than I am GitHub, but there is a value in GitHub. I have some that just don't really care about Snapchat and social media or augmented reality, and that's fine. The space for computer science and IT and augmented reality and digital marketing and SEO and social media, all that stuff is so huge. It just, focus on what you like and what you have an interest in, and learning experience will be that much better. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if you decide to sign up for one of these, let me know that as well. Thank you.